Hello and welcome to day 3 of the Mind-Body Reset. So for the last couple of days, we've looked at the root cause behind the issue that might be holding you back in your life right now. And then we followed that up by digging a little bit deeper and learning how to release and let go of all those emotions that we've been pushing down in our bodies. And today what we're going to do is we're going to give you a wonderful transformation. We're going to instill some new patterns of thought, patterns of habit and action, which are going to help you to move forward. So we're going to do this exercise. We're going to get you nice and relaxed. And this really is going to rewire your mind so that you can get everything that you want from your life. So again, just make yourself nice and comfortable. Sitting or laying down with your hands and feet not touching. And as we've done before, I just want you to roll up your eyes, as if you're looking into your eyebrows or imagining a spot just above your head. And take a nice big deep breath in. And breathe out. And again, take a nice big deep breath in. And breathe out. And one last time, take a nice big deep breath in. But this time as you breathe out, I want you to just gently close down your eyelids. And your eyes are now droopy, drowsy, sealed shut, locked tight, not wanting to open. But now you can just forget all about your eyes, and all your cares and tensions are just fading away. You're relaxing with every sound that you hear, with each easy breath that you take. And you're beginning to breathe more deeply now, just the way you breathe each night when you are deep and sound asleep. And in front of you now, you can see perfectly well with your eyes closed. So I just want you to picture in front of you 5 steps. And I want you to just drop your chin a little, as if you were looking down those 5 steps now. And as you do, you take step 5 as you float down, drift down, travel down to a deeper level of relaxation. As you take step 4, you gently, easily and calmly move on over to a deeper level. You take step 3, you're feeling so relaxed now. You take step 2 as every muscle, every nerve turns loose, lets loose, and you go deeper. Take step 2, so deep now. And as you take step 1, you go deeper now into relaxation, 50 times deeper than ever before. And as you take that step, you notice in front of you is a beautiful beach with warm golden sand and crystal clear waters. All you can hear is the gentle lapping of the waves, drawing you deeper and deeper into relaxation now. And as you look ahead of you, you find a place to sit and be relaxed and comfortable. And as you sit down, you feel so deeply relaxed, so happy and so calm now. And in this moment, I just want you to shut your eyes. And as you do, I want you to remind yourself of that little inner cheerleader that you had within you as a child. That little inner cheerleader who always told you that you could dream big and that anything that you wanted was available to you. That little inner cheerleader who told you that you were capable of anything that you set your mind to. That took you to wonderful imaginary places. That played with you, that helped you, and that told you how wonderful and great and capable of anything you were. And right now we're going to reinstall that little inner cheerleader that once resided in you. So I just want you to imagine that that inner cheerleader is just above you now, about a foot above your head. And it could be in the form of a person or an aura a shape. But whatever it may be, just envisage it now, just hovering above you, coming down, coming closer to you. And as it reaches you, it integrates into your body, and you know that you are reinstalling that inner cheerleader now. And that inner cheerleader's job is to encourage you every day, to tell you all the things that you need to hear, to help you move forward, to feel confident, to feel empowered, to feel motivated, and to tell you each and every day that everything that you want is available to you, that you are enough, that you are always connected, that you are lovable, worthy, and deserving of everything that you want in your life. And that little inner cheerleader's voice, it is 10 times louder than any inner critic within you. So I want you to tell that inner cheerleader right now what it is that they need to say to you daily to keep you moving, to keep you growing, and to keep you flowing. Because every day that little inner cheerleader tells you you are enough. You are strong and resilient. You are powerful. Everything that you want is available to you. You are absolutely lovable. You are worthy and deserving of abundance. You are creating success in every area of your life. You are worthy. You are deserving. You are wanted. You are lovable. And tell that inner cheerleader now anything else that you need to hear daily, which will help to move you forward and live that life that you've always dreamt of. And as you tell it, you know that you are stepping into that dream life now, because that is your life. And that little inner cheerleader silences any inner critic because it shouts louder. It's always there supporting you, spurring you on, telling you to keep going. And that part of you is so strong now and so familiar that it's installing within you, helping you, pushing you forward, moving you on. You know now that you're confident, you're in control of your own thoughts. Tell it everything that you need to hear. Maybe things that you always needed to hear but never have. And now that you know that this part is working for you and working with you, that inner cheerleader is with you every single day, spurring you on, motivating you, keeping you going, and know intuitively what is right for you. So just feel that inner cheerleader within you now. Embrace them, hold them, and know that this new sense of confidence, well-being, self-esteem, and that knowledge that you're worthy and deserving of everything that you want from life is your truth now. And as you do this, as you acknowledge and accept it, you are aware of this wonderful, powerful transformation taking place within you now, within your personality, as you feel stronger, more motivated, empowered, confident, and safe. Safe in the knowledge that you can be whatever you want to be, that you are taking control back now. Taking control of your life and taking control of your thoughts. Because the only thing any one of us has any control over is our own thoughts. So you are taking charge now, moving forward. And you know now that this transformation is taking place with you. And you will take this transformation into your life and achieve whatever you want to achieve. So knowing this, believing this, literally becoming this now, In a moment, you will return to your full awareness, knowing that this powerful transformation has taken place within you and your personality, and that you have this driving force and motivation now to move forward, knowing you can draw on this inner cheerleader at any time. So on 5, you're becoming more aware of the room and the sounds around you. On 4, you're wiggling your fingers and wiggling your toes. On 3, you're becoming more aware. On 2, you are taking a nice big deep breath in. And on the count of 1, I want you to open up your eyes and take a nice deep breath. So how did that exercise feel? What form did your inner cheerleader take? Was it an aura? Was it a person? What did you tell it that you needed to hear? What are those words that you always wanted and always longed to hear but you never have from someone else? What's that inner cheerleader going to tell you daily? And again, write this all down. And these little things that you need to hear from your inner cheerleader, use them as affirmations during the day. Repeat them to yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and do them. To make it even more powerful, do the little technique for self-hypnosis that I've taught you over the last 3 days, which is to roll your eyes up, as if you're looking into your eyebrows and taking those nice deep breaths. Because what that does is it takes you into an alpha brain state, which is the perfect state for accepting powerful suggestions. So it supercharges any affirmations that you might do daily. So we've moved through 3 different processes over the last few days. And this really gives you a flavour of what you can expect from an RTT session. But what I'd love you to do as well is, while we've done the processing of the emotions, going forward, what we want to do is learn to manage and process our information and our emotions better, in a better way, and learn to release them. And a great way to do this is to think that every thought you think has a physical reaction in your body. And so easy it is to just lose that mind-body connection, particularly because we live in such a fast-paced world. But start to think, and each day, do a little journal, particularly if you're feeling a heightened sense of emotion around something. So maybe it's anxiety or maybe it's sadness. But write down what that feeling is that you're feeling, where you're feeling it in your body, and what it's maybe stopping you from doing or prompting you to do. So just have 3 columns where you've got a thought, a feeling, and an action or an inaction. And do this for 21 days, because it takes 21 days to make a habit or break a habit. And actually, this is all about retraining and rewiring your brain. And once you're able to start recognizing that every thought you think is creating that emotion, it becomes much easier to manage and process all of those emotions that you might be experiencing and to let them go instead of storing them up. So I hope you've really enjoyed the last 3 days. And try listening to that inner cheerleader as well for 21 days, because that will really instill all of that powerful suggestions and all that information that you need to propel you forward and live your very best life. I'll see you all again soon.